Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So here we'll see how to add a table from PhPMyAdmin to our database. Okay, so here I have a database and its name is test. It could be anything in your site. Okay, so here I have some tables. Now I want to add a new table. Okay, so say for example, for creating a new table, definitely I will click on this one, create new. Okay, and then I will create the table's name. Okay, so table name is zones. Okay, all right, and now here I have already four columns. These would be columns names, but actually I want to say, for example, 9. So what I could do, I could add another 5. So here I would do add 5. Okay, then I'll click on this. Okay, so now it became 9, right? Okay, anyway, so now I will have 9 columns. All right, so the first column name is definitely ID. The second column, you could wise topic. Okay, so now here in this case, ID would be our auto incremented. So I'll click over here. Okay, so this would be our primary key as well, and here I'll select data type big int. And for this one, I'll select virture. Let's see, where is virture? And here I want to put polygon. So I'll look for polygon this one, okay? Because I want to put geometry over here. And status, in this case, I want to choose a tiny end. And created at, I would choose timestamp. Timestamp. Okay. Now here for restaurant-wise topic, I will choose virture. Okay, now here a lot of them you need default length or values but for primary key you don't need. And over here attributes, let's see, this is unsigned, we can choose this one. And over here say this one, so I will choose 191. So it doesn't really matter, but it has to be based on your length. So tiny int 1. And let's see, created at, okay, we don't need this one. Okay, now a lot of others, they need default values, okay? So yeah, so status as defined, I'll give it a default value 1, clicking on over here. And timestamp, let's see, default null, and I will set all of them as default null, okay? Okay, and these are, we must need name, ID, name, and coordinates. Okay, so yeah, we are done with the basic structure of this database setup. And now what I will do, I will go ahead and click over here, save. Okay, now it says that we need a valid length. Okay, yes. Now for this one, yes, I'm missing the length. So for timestamp, sorry, virtual, you always need a length. So I'll keep them same. Over here, 191. Okay, and after that. We'll click over here, save, okay, and I will create a new table, and it says processing. Okay, there could be only one auto column and it must be defined as a key. Okay, all right, so over here I think I need to select this one, primary key. Okay, so go. All right, now let's save it. Yes, okay, so yeah, so this is what has been created over here. Yeah, and we are good with this. Okay, so that's how you go ahead and create a new database table in PhPMyAdmin. Okay, thank you.